Chandigarh master plan is built in such a way that residents living in New Chandigarh, they should be having all the basic necessary facilities nearby, like world-class education centers, like
Absolutely.
medical colleges, Punjab University is nearby. The basic purpose is all the basic necessities of life, world-class facilities are nearby to you.
So friends, on my right side we have Punjab University and on my left we have PGMIR. और आप देख सकते हैं कि जो ये रोड है, this is Madhya Marg and this is just straight way that is connecting the city beautiful to the major spots of Punjab. This leads towards New Chandigarh and we will be showing you the development over there in terms of Medicity, Cricket Stadium and of course Omex we will be taking you shortly. So this is the way that we were coming from PGI towards the New Chandigarh और यहाँ से जो है हमारा फ्लाईओवर का काम शुरू होने वाला है. You can see that it is work in progress. आपका फर्स्ट राउंड अबाउट है when you're coming from the PGI towards the New Chandigarh. So we have come till here and we've just crossed the first roundabout. This is the Madhya Marg road that we are following and you can see the board here. Homi Bhabha's Cancer Research Center, Grewal Eye Hospital, Chaitanya Hospital, Max Hospital. All this is in the close vicinity from the Omex New Chandigarh area.
Rakesh ji, what is the distance of this MBA institute from your Omex New Chandigarh India Trade Tower?
It's hardly 3.5 kilometers.
Hardly
Maximum 5 minutes run by your own car.
So the purpose of showing this institute to you was that it has been envisaged that Omex New Chandigarh and this all new Chandigarh is built on this platform that there will be all the required services within your vicinity. So we just now came from Medicity, now we are at Narsi Monji. Similarly, there will be an education city, I suppose, which will be coming up in next 5 to 10 years. So this one right behind us, this is one of the top 10 MBA institutes which you must be knowing, and this will be operational within this year itself. राकेश, अब जैसे अब स्टेडियम है और आपकी जो ओमेक्स की टाउनशिप है, यहाँ से कितनी दूर है आप बताएंगे?
Sir, approximately I think it is present around 1.5 kilometer.
Just 1.5 kilometers from here. तो ये स्टेडियम आपका ओमेक्स की जो फेज 3 की टाउनशिप से कितना दूर है?
सर लगभग 1 से 1.5 किलोमीटर. एंड यू नो व्हाट, इसके साथ में ही हमारा एसयू मार्केट भी आ रहा है जो हार्डली आधा किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस पे स्टार्ट है और इट गोइंग टू बी अ बिग मार्केट जस्ट लाइक सेक्टर 17 मार्केट इन चंडीगढ़. लास्ट टाइम हमने जब द एम्पायर विला की बात की थी 500 के यार्ड में जो विलाज हमारे प्रेजेंट है, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वो भी यहाँ से 1.5 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस पे है. मैक्स कासिया के नाम से जो हमारा फेज 3 पड़ता है.
एंड चंडीगढ़ फ्रॉम हियर
सेम
1.5
kilometers.
This there is a slight connectivity which was pending for a long time, that is also now resolved. So this will be straight away connected with 38 West Chandigarh.
ये सामने से दक्षिण भारत में बिल्कुल यहाँ से हार्डली आधा किलोमीटर के आगे डिस्टेंस पे ओमेक्स स्टार्ट हो जाता है. जो एसयू मार्केट की बात करूँ मैं, वो भी हार्डली साथ में प्रेजेंट है स्टेडियम के साथ.
So that जब भी यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल मैचेस होंगे, one can directly come from Chandigarh without any problems.
And the best thing is कि दक्षिण मार्ग में प्रेजेंट है. दिस रोड इज गोइंग डायरेक्टली टू दिल्ली. डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी दिल्ली टू विन चौक, जीरकपुर, अम्बाला.
So we've just come to the Omex Trade Tower and it's, I must say, it's a world class. Right now I'm standing here. और अगर मैं प्रॉक्सिमिटी की बात करूँ, जैसे हम अभी MBA इंस्टीट्यूट और क्रिकेट स्टेडियम एंड वी जस्ट कम फ्रॉम मेडिसिटी, सो ये सब कितनी प्रॉक्सिमिटी में है यहाँ से फ्रॉम द ट्रेड टावर?
यू नो व्हाट, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मेडिसिटी, जस्ट आप गेट से बाहर निकलिए एंड इट्स मेडिसिटी ओवर देयर. जस्ट क्रॉस द रोड एंड मेडिसिटी इज देयर. And if I talk about Nasimuji Management Institute,
Right.
that's hardly 4 to 5 kilometers you can say
Okay.
from here. And if I talk about EC Stadium,
Right.
that will be around 6 to 7 kilometers, I think so.
So in all, if we see, everything is covered in the proximity of 5 to 6 kilometers, right, sir?
Right.
And not more than that. So investing here in New Chandigarh, and that too with Omex here, it is going to be a great beneficial opportunity to each one who's watching our channel. Would you like to say to our audience that they should just come to Omex and
I think this is one of the best place to invest if you are an investor, or if I talk about if you want to live in a heaven, you can say, just like we have the places, we have a resort, we have the Empire Villa.
Right.
I think we have
We've shown that.
right.
Yes.
तो अगर मैं बात करूँ प्लेसेस की, यहाँ पे अगर अंदर टाउनशिप की बात कराएं, अर्लियर हमने शूट भी किया तो उसके रिगार्डिंग आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे हर जगह हॉर्टिकल्चर जबरदस्त है.
Yes, I must say that the greenery has been taken care fully and completely. The nature park that we also did the shoot.
Right.
So in all, I think a big thumbs up to Omex. And as a family nest real estate experts, our team will be here to showcase anything that you would want to see in New Chandigarh especially. So stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.